My name is Simran Kulkarni, and I will be a sophomore at Cumberland Valley High School, Mechanicsburg, PA this year. I was lucky enough to have my mom, Sri Lakshmi Kulkarni, as my sponsor, and I am more than excited to be an Engineer Girl Ambassador for this season. I love STEM, all aspects of it. I especially love robotic engineering and medical science. And I've loved STEM ever since I was a little girl. I remember I joined my first robotics team when I was 9 years old. I immediately fell in love with it. But even as a 9-year-old, I could spot the differences between how girls and boys were treated in STEM. I've experienced highs and lows with my experience in STEM. But I've always had my family, my friends, and my role models to help me motivate myself to keep going. Without their support, I wouldn't be where I am today. But I also know many girls lack that support system. Without it, they lack the resources and the ability to go to their full potential and pursue whatever passions that they have. I wanted to be an Engineer Girl Ambassador this year to help make the STEM workforce more equal. Did you know, according to Catalyst.org, 28% of the STEM workforce is filled with women. That's it. I want to make sure that I can empower the next generation of female leaders in STEM. And I want to make sure that when they are in the workforce, that they are in a more equal atmosphere than what is now. I love STEM, and I wanted to be an Engineer Girl Ambassador to help make a change in the world. For my outreach program, I've chosen to have a STEM club for girls between the ages of 7 to 10. Each week, we will tackle a new concept or career in STEM that not only affects the world, but also them personally. Each lesson is going to be accompanied by an activity so that the girls can learn how to use their skills in the real world. The girls will learn skills that they can carry on for the rest of their life. And I hope to empower these girls to pursue a future in any of these careers. The pandemic has affected many of us, including myself. People tend to ask me, how has the pandemic affected you? And to that, I like to say, although there are some negative aspects, there are also some positives. For example, I had to change my project to fit CDC guidelines. But along the way, I've been able to meet new people who have helped me better my project. The pandemic has also affected my participants. The girls are facing new experiences, and it's especially challenging for them. It may seem like the pandemic has created a barrier between my club and I and the participants, but it has only made us closer. Because of the pandemic, I had to adapt and change my project around to make it fit CDC guidelines and make it safer for me and my participants. Some of these adaptations include making my club more hybrid. We have both in-person and virtual meetings. Some things we will do in person, and I will meet with the girls and I will teach them lessons. But I will also provide them with resources that they can use so that when we're not together, they can still keep learning. Overall, I am really excited to be an Engineer Girl Ambassador for the 2020-2021 season. Although I will face some new challenges, I will also get to face new experiences, and I am so excited to work with my fellow ambassadors. Thank you so much.